Hello and welcome to latestlaws.com, India's leading legal news and knowledge platform trusted by professionals and law enthusiasts alike. At latestlaws.com, we simplify complex laws, decode business compliance, and bring you the latest legal developments all in one place. Check us out and stay one step ahead. Today's topic is a must-watch for anyone dreaming of launching their own business. How to legally start a business in India. So, you've got a brilliant startup idea. You're ready to take over the world. But wait, have you handled the legal side of things? Because if not, your startup might not even get off the ground. Today, we are breaking down everything you need to legally start a business in India, from choosing the right structure to registering, protecting your ideas, and avoiding compliance nightmares. Stick with me till the end and you'll be startup ready the right way. Whether you're a business owner, aspiring entrepreneur, or just curious about how things work behind the scenes, make sure to like and subscribe for regular valuable legal insights. First things first, your business structure is everything. It affects your taxes, liabilities, funding, and long-term sustainability. Let's break down your options. Sole proprietorship, great for small businesses, but you take all the risk. Simple to start, but you take all the risk. No legal separation between you and your business. Great for low risk, small ventures. Partnership firm. Easy to set up with co-founders, but all partners share profit and debt. Ideal for professionals and joint small businesses. Limited liability partnership. Like a partnership, but safer. Partners get liability protection without too much compliance. A solid choice for small, growing businesses. Private limited company, perfect for startups aiming to scale and raise funds. Offers strong legal protection but comes with more compliance and formalities. One-person company OPC, great if you're a solo entrepreneur but want company benefits. Solo founder. This lets you enjoy company perks like limited liability while operating alone. Why your business structure matters. Your structure affects taxes, risk, legal responsibility, and investor interest. Want to keep it lean? LLP works. Planning to scale big? Go Pvt Ltd. Choosing the right structure is the foundation of your business. Take the time to analyze your goals, risk tolerance, and scalability before making a decision. Now, let's get official. To legally register your business, follow these steps. And don't worry, I'll make it easy. Use the MCA portal to check availability. Start by picking a unique name. Check its availability on the Ministry of Corporate Affairs portal to avoid legal or trademark issues. This name will represent your brand, so choose wisely. You'll need a DSC to file everything online. It's like your online signature issued by government-approved agencies. If you're a director, this is mandatory. If you're becoming a company director, you need a DIN. You can apply for it while incorporating your company on the MCA portal. Find your MOA, Memorandum of Association, and AOA Articles of Association. Time to find your Memorandum of Association and Articles of Association. These define your company's purpose and rules. Submit the required forms and pay the registration fees based on your business type. Tax compliance, no headaches later. Once your business is registered, You need to obtain key tax-related documents. Open a business bank account. Keep business and personal finances separate. Keep your business finances separate from personal ones. Most banks need your registration documents, PAN, and GST to open a business account. Sounds like a lot? No worries. You can do this online via MCA or hire a legal expert to handle it for you. With the right guidance, you'll be up and running in no time. Dreaming of building the next big startup? The Startup India program is your golden ticket to funding, tax breaks, and hassle-free compliance, helping you turn your vision into reality. What is the Startup India program? The Startup India program is a flagship initiative launched by the Government of India in 2016 to promote entrepreneurship, create jobs, and drive economic growth. It offers financial, regulatory, and compliance-related benefits to startups, making it easier for them to operate and scale their businesses. This program is spearheaded by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Key benefits of the Startup India program: financial support, access to funding schemes like the Fund of Funds and Seed Fund scheme, tax benefits, exemption from income tax for 3 years under Section 80 IAC of the Income Tax Act, IPR protection, fast-tracked patent and trademark registration with an 80% reduction in patent filing fees, simplified compliance, self-certification under environmental and labor laws, public procurement benefits, exemptions from prior experience or turnover requirements in government tenders, networking and incubation support, access to mentorship, incubators and accelerators. How to register for Startup India? Sign up on the Startup India portal. Visit www.startupindia.gov.in. Register using your name, email ID, and mobile number. OTP verification required. Submit required documents. Certificate of Incorporation Pvt Ltd Company, LLP, or Partnership Firm. Detailed business plan or pitch deck explaining your startup's vision and growth plan. Details of any patents or trademarks if applicable. Proof of concept if required. MVP, website, product prototype, or customer testimonials. Get DPIIT recognition. Once your startup is registered, apply for DPIIT recognition, which unlocks financial, tax, and compliance benefits. Processing time. Recognition is granted within 2 working days, and you receive a startup recognition number. DPIIT recognition benefits. Once registered, your startup can enjoy the following advantages. Tax benefits. Startups enjoy a 100% tax exemption for 3 years under Section 80 IAC of the Income Tax Act. Access to government funds and investors. BIT-recognized startups can apply for funding through government-backed schemes and venture capital firms. Simplified compliance. Self-certification under 6 labor laws and 3 environmental laws to reduce regulatory burden. Fast-tracked IP registration. 80% rebate on patent filing fees and 50% reduction in trademark fees. Public procurement relaxations. Startups get priority in government tenders without prior experience or turnover requirements. With the right support and benefits from Startup India, your entrepreneurial journey just got a whole lot smoother. So, why wait? Take the leap and register your startup today. This is where most startups mess up. Don't launch your business without these essential documents. Founders Agreement outlines each founder's role, equity, and exit terms. Prevents future conflicts and keeps things clear from day one. Non-disclosure agreement (NDA) protects your ideas and business secrets when talking to employees, investors, or vendors. Employment contracts sets clear expectations with your team. Covers roles, salaries, benefits, and legal protections. Vendor agreements keeps your deals with suppliers smooth and legally secure. No room for miscommunication or delays. Intellectual property (IP) agreements own your innovations before someone else does. Own your brand, ideas, and innovations. Register your IP early. Startups under Startup India can use the SIP scheme for faster and cheaper registration. By ensuring these documents are in place, entrepreneurs can safeguard their business interests, maintain regulatory compliance, and build a strong foundation for long-term success. Think you can skip compliance and taxes? Well, the law disagrees. Ignoring these can lead to heavy fines or even a shutdown. So, let's get compliant. Annual MCA filings, keeping your business legally sound. Private limited companies and LLPs must file annual returns with the MCA. It's key to staying legal and avoiding penalties. Income tax returns, ITR, file even if there's no profit. Every registered business must file ITR even with zero profit. It's about staying compliant, not just making money. GST filings applicable for eligible businesses. If you're GST registered, regular filing is a must, even nil returns. Avoid penalties and keep your tax record clean. Shops and establishment license, a must for physical businesses. Have a physical office or store? This license is required to stay compliant with labor and workplace laws. Industry-specific licenses tailored to your business needs. Certain industries require specific licenses for legal operations. For example, FSSAI license mandatory for businesses in the food and beverage sector. Import-Export Code (IEC) required for businesses engaging in international trade. Kosher and halal registrations needed for businesses dealing with religious dietary products. Ignoring these legal requirements can result in heavy fines, legal action, or even business closure. Set reminders for filings or hire a legal expert to ensure your startup stays compliant and risk-free. Hiring employees? Great. But before you build your dream team, make sure your business is on the right side of Indian labor laws, because non-compliance can be costly. If you're hiring employees, compliance with Indian labor laws is non-negotiable. Startups registered under the Startup India initiative can file a self-declaration to get an exemption from labor inspections for the first year. However, they must comply with labor laws to avoid legal issues. Key labor laws applicable to businesses in India. The Industrial Disputes Act regulates dispute resolution between employers and employees. The Contract Labor Regulation and Abolition Act governs working conditions for contract-based employees. The Employees' Provident Funds and Miscellaneous Provisions Act mandates PF contributions for employee social security. The Employee State Insurance Act provides health and insurance benefits to employees. The Industrial Employment Standing Orders Act defines employment terms for industrial workers. The Interstate Migrant Workmen Regulation of Employment and Conditions of Service Act protects rights of migrant workers. The Payment of Gratuity Act ensures gratuity payments for long-term employees. The Building and Other Construction Workers Regulation of Employment and Conditions of Service Act. Think of labor law compliance as more than just a legal checkbox. It's a smart business move that keeps your business running smoothly while protecting both your employees and your venture. Pro tip: compliance with labor laws helps prevent disputes, improves HR efficiency, and keeps your business legally sound. Section 7. Funding Opportunities. Dreaming big but lacking funds? The Startup India program is here to fuel your entrepreneurial journey with exclusive funding opportunities so you can focus on building, not just bootstrapping. Funding is the lifeline of any startup. The Startup India program offers multiple funding avenues to support new businesses. Startup Fund of Funds. Rupees 10,000 crore corpus to support venture capital firms investing in startups. Operated by Small Industries Development Bank of India, providing funding through alternate investment funds. Aims to reduce dependence on foreign capital and boost domestic entrepreneurship. Startup India Seed Fund Scheme. Rupees 945 crore allocated to provide early-stage startups with capital for product development and market expansion. Eligibility: must be DPIIT recognized. Incorporated within the last 2 years. Must have a viable business model. Should not have received funding from any other government scheme. Apply directly through the Startup India portal to unlock capital for your business. Capital is the backbone of a thriving startup. Don't let financial constraints hold you back. Explore these government-backed funding schemes and take your business to the next level today. Starting a business is exciting, but ensuring it's legally sound is just as crucial. Let's quickly recap the essentials for legally launching your startup in India. Whether it's a private limited company, LLP, or sole proprietorship, picking the correct entity sets the foundation for your startup's success. Get your startup officially recognized with the right registrations, such as MCA incorporation, PAN, and GST, to operate without legal roadblocks. Protect your business with crucial agreements like the Founders Agreement, employment contracts, NDS, and vendor agreements to prevent disputes and ensure clarity. Regularly file MCA annual returns, ITR, GST, and industry-specific licenses to avoid fines and legal troubles. Simple, right? By following these steps, you ensure a strong, compliant, and hassle-free startup journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. For more legal tips, updates, and simplified explainers, visit us at www.latestlaws.com because knowing your rights is just smart business.